when I met the Honorable Minister yesterday, I explained to him that the CUET exam is being made compulsory for all affiliate colleges also, which is affiliated to the central universities. Now there are colleges which are 200 kilometers away from Nehu, and the students in those areas may never, apply, or may never even go to Nehu, or don't have any intentions. They intend to be in the college in their district or in their constituency or in their area. Therefore, why should those students have to go and appear for this central exam? And that's when Minister agreed. So he said that all the colleges that are private or funded by government, state government, in terms of aid being given to them, grant being given to them, they will not have to, the students who are applying to those colleges will not have to appear for the central CUET and CUET. And he said that except the ones who are planning to go to Central University, or the ones who are planning to be in some college in Nehu. So Nehu has got a law college, Nehu has got agriculture. So anything within the Nehu college, the two campuses that they have, those students will have to appear for the Central University entrance test. But all the other affiliate colleges, including the government, the private, the aided, the deficit, they will not have to. The students who are applying to those colleges, which is mostly 90% of the colleges, they will not have to appear for the Central University entrance test anymore.
Whether this assumption is only for this year, or where will this come?
It is going to be till whenever. I mean, it's not. There's no time frame to it. It means basically the colleges that have nothing to do with the admission within Nehu itself, they will not have to appear for exam, at least for this year, next year, and for the years to come. So the only point that was mentioned was that slowly and steadily, whatever arrangements have to be taken or decisions have to be taken in the future, we will decide. But as of now, whether this year, next year, or for the years to come, the colleges which are not directly in under Nehu, in terms of in the campus, the students will not have to appear for the exams of the Central University entrance test.